Hey, I'm David from PowerProbe, here to introduce you to my friend and PowerProbe teammate who happens to be another David. This is David Styers. David, what do you do for PowerProbe?
I'm the business data analyst for PowerProbe. So basically that means that anytime somebody has a data need or needs to figure out a question to an answer, I try to be the guy to help them.
We appreciate that. I know it's been a big help since you come on board. As we've grown, it's nice to have clean data, but that's your day job. So you also happen to be a bit of a car guy.
Right.
How did that start for you? Where'd you get that rush?
So that was a bit of, that was kind of out of necessity. So my first car was a 2005 545i. So that came with the N62, the notorious V8 from BMW. So, it was just kind of a labor of love thing. I've done everything from drop the trans and drop the engine to, just anything that's on that car, my hands have been in it, for better or for worse. So.
Just to keep it on the road, and it turned out you kind of liked it, huh?
Right. So that car had 160,000 miles when I bought it. Now it's going on 220. So I'm trying to keep it on the road.
So you're starting in on a couple other projects, though. Recently, you told me about projects you got at home and another vehicle you're working on.
Right. So what I'm working on now is a 1987 Jeep Cherokee XJ with the famous 4.0 engine. Coming from BMW, that car is a dream to work on. It's got 190,000 miles on it right now, and once I get it working, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes past 300.
Very nice. So you're doing some plating, though.
Right.
Getting a little bit crazy with the restoration package.
Right. So to say I'm working on a vehicle now is like saying that, you're going to refurbish like the car manufacturing facility, so you can put your car in there and start to work on it. But yeah, so I, decided I wanted to be the one to zinc plate all my fasteners. So I've kind of taken a dive and, kind of been a part-time chemist.
Very cool. Very cool opportunity. Yeah. So you'll see more of these interviews coming. We want to make sure you can see everybody that works for PowerProbe behind the scenes. I know there's a few of us that are on camera more than the others, but there's a lot of people that do some hard work. And our whole goal is to help technicians. And we think the best way to do that is maybe to be technicians ourselves.